Once upon a time, in a remote mountain monastery nestled amid misty peaks and ancient pines, lived an old monk named Masterly. Masterly was known for his wisdom and the ability to distill profound lessons from the simplest moments. In this serene sanctuary, he took on the responsibility of imparting the teachings of life to the young novices who sought enlightenment. Among these novices was a curious and kind-hearted boy named Kale. His eyes sparkled with innocence, and his heart was open to the lessons that the old monk had to offer. One day, as the sun cast a warm glow on the monastery courtyard, Masterly called Kale to join him beneath the shade of a blossoming cherry tree. "Kale, my dear disciple, let me share with you a lesson that has been passed down through generations," Masterly began, his voice carrying the weight of years of experience. "Never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies." Perplexed, Kale looked at the old monk with a furrowed brow. "But Master, why would I want to use enemies? Shouldn't we seek harmony and understanding with all?" Masterly smiled knowingly. "Ah, young one, harmony is indeed a noble pursuit, but life is not always a tranquil river. There are turbulent waters, and in those moments, wisdom lies in understanding the currents." With that, Masterly began to share stories of his own youth, tales of friendships tested and alliances broken. He spoke of the importance of discernment and the art of navigating the complexities of human relationships. Days turned into weeks, and Kale absorbed the teachings like a sponge soaking up rain. Masterly took him on walks through the mountain trails, pointing out the balance in nature and how the eagle and the serpent played their parts in the delicate dance of existence. As the seasons changed, Kale began to grasp the essence of Masterly's lesson. One day, when a fellow novice betrayed his trust, Kale remembered the words of his mentor. Instead of reacting with anger, he observed, learned, and understood the motives behind the betrayal. In time, Kale emerged not only as a skilled monk but also as a wise counselor to his peers. He applied the teachings of balance and discernment in the delicate tapestry of human relationships. As Masterly watched Kale grow into a beacon of understanding, he knew that the ancient wisdom had found a new vessel. The monastery, bathed in the eternal dance of cherry blossoms and mountain winds, stood as a testament to the timeless truth that life's lessons, like the flowing river, were meant to be shared from one generation to the next. Thanks for watching our videos. For interesting topic like this, please subscribe our channel.